Welcome to 8 Quanta Library content. In this video, we'll walk through NetSuite manufacturing, specifically how to create an assembly item, a bill of materials BOM, and BOM revisions. Let's start with creating an assembly item. An assembly item is a finished good that you build from multiple components. To create one, go to Lists, Accounting, Items, New, and choose Assembly Item. You can also choose to set it as a lot-numbered or serialized assembly item if required. Enter the item name or number. Assign the subsidiary. Add a units type. Set the replenishment method. Next, under the Manufacturing tab, select the bill of materials. If none exists yet, click the plus button to create a new one. Give the bill of materials a name and complete the required details. Once saved, click the Expand button to open the BOM on a separate tab. Now, go to the Revisions tab. Here, you can either add an existing revision or create a new one. Enter a name for the BOM revision and set the effective start and end dates. These dates determine when this revision will be used in BOM calculations. Next, add the components and their quantities that make up the assembly item. Fill in any other necessary details, and then click Save. And that's it! You've just created an assembly item, a bill of materials, and a BOM revision in NetSuite. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.